Mary and Tom are both sick. Mary goes to Broward Health Urgent Care, affiliated with Broward Health Hospitals. Tom goes to a retail clinic. Mary gets her x-rays right on site. Tom has to drive to a different location to get his x-rays. While Mary's doctor's going over her x-rays, Tom is still waiting to get his taken. If Mary needed to go to the ER, Broward Health would already have her results and her care would continue within the system. Tom would have to start all over again. Within an hour, Mary is at home resting comfortably. Tom is still driving around getting tests. Mary gets follow-up calls and references to other Broward Health services. Tom, on the other hand, gets stuck with hefty bills for the outside services that the retail clinic was not able to provide. Trust the name you know. Hospital-affiliated Broward Health Urgent Care. Open 7 days a week with 3 locations to serve you: Coral Springs, Plantation, and Weston. Visit www.browardhealth.org/urgent care to learn more.
We have a very special person with us today, Dr. Edna Tello,
Yes.
pediatrician at Broward Health in Coral Springs, and we wanted to open up this feature specifically because we have a mission in Coral Springs, and we've had some issues going on in these past months. If you are a local resident, also if you're a national resident, you might have heard some news. We've had some interesting things go on, and we wanted to get Dr. Tello. Once again, we thank you for coming on, and we just want to talk about, let's get right into it. Watch Your Kid. What can you tell us about it?
Thank you so much. Pediatric drowning is the leading cause of preventable death in the state of Florida, and we are here tonight to promote education awareness, to let parents know that at Coral Springs we are committed, at the City of Coral Springs and at Broward Health Coral Springs, committed to prevent pediatric drowning. Our campaign is Watch Your Kid, You'll Be Glad You Did. There are fabulous programs of education through Coral Springs Medical Center, example CPR. We are also collaborating with all the pools in the area and in the community to teach your children how to swim and water safety. And this is our passion, and we're really committed to do something for our community and prevent something like pediatric drownings.
Well, absolutely, and I know we've had some issues in the past couple months with some drownings in the community that are very close to some of our hearts. And like you said before, it is such a tragic incident when it happens. What can people, you mentioned a couple opportunities available, teaching your kids how to swim, putting up fences along the pools. What can people right away take care of if they have kids? What can they do? Where can they contact? What's the first step for them?
Okay, first of all, awareness. Knowing that in Broward County we have over 130,000 pools. That means 3 pools for every child, and this is a preventable death. So to bring awareness is number 1. Number 2, you can contact Coral Springs Medical Center at 954-344-3000, where we're offering free CPR lessons for every member of the family, and then we can give you more information about water safety and especially pediatric swim lessons and swim lessons for the whole family.
Well, that is just an outstanding thing that you all are doing. And I know, as you can tell in the camera shot, Dr. Tello is dressed up like a snowman. Now, I don't want to give the explanation why you're dressed up like a snowman. I'm going to let you do that.
Yes, it's obviously South Florida. We don't think of snow when we think of South Florida, but you'll see our beautiful people, volunteers from Coral Springs Medical Center, Broward Health Coral Springs, dressed as snowman, promoting Watch Your Kid, You'll Be Glad You Did. Is not a freezing night in South Florida. I'm probably sweating, but thank you so much for this opportunity. And as I said, just watch your children and be aware that this is a preventable tragedy, and that at Broward Health Coral Springs we are committed and we are collaborating with the City of Coral Springs. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Absolutely.